Bullish Hive cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.96 and $3.69 by 2030. Market experts accept Hive could reach $1.52 by 2025. Bearish Hive market cost expectation for 2023 is 34 cents. Hive presentation. Would you like to know where the Hive cost will go from here on out, and would you say you are looking for Hive cost expectations? We'll analyze Hive's verifiable value developments and witness industry insiders' thought process will to its cost from now on. If it's not too much trouble, remember that this expectation and some other value forecast ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market experts. What's more, it is hard to figure whatever is awesome. In any case, be guaranteed, we'll give it our best go. What is the Hive? Hive, which went live on Spring 20th, 2020, is a blockchain-based monetary record and decentralized data sharing organization that utilizes the designated confirmation of stake convention. Various applications for data trade are upheld by Hive. The environment is cordial to content makers, clients, financial backers, and developers because of the various dApps, APIs, and front closes that add to a wide and straightforward openness of information, exchanges, and records. Enormous volumes of content might be put away in Hive, which is intended to make that content accessible for time-sensitive adaptation. Virtual entertainment with paid benefits for content makers, intuitive games, personality the executives, casting a ballot frameworks, and microloans are a couple of instances of purposes. Determined to accomplish far and wide stage and cache acknowledgement, the blockchain's usefulness is versatile. Hive is strategically situated to become one of the top blockchain advancements used by individuals from one side of the planet to the other thanks to its blend of expense-free exchanges and incredibly speedy handling time. Basic investigation of Hive value estimate. Hive's ability for huge exchange volumes, alongside its fast 3-second block spans and expense-free exchanges, make it the ideal stage for growing profoundly intuitive applications that would languidly work on other blockchain networks. Besides, it centers in an unmistakable strategy for getting around a subsequent layer plan for scattering application load among a few sidechains to allow versatility past the limits of customary brilliant agreement organization. To defeat scaling issues, an application's allies can dispense more central processor assets as important at the second layer to control their favored applications without stressing over network clog brought about by other applications, while as yet getting the advantages of a common first-layer blockchain spine to ensure conveyed information uprightness. An unmistakable serious climate for application designers is made conceivable by this versatility capacity. An expansive assortment of local area individuals, designers, and financial backers that common a pledge to decentralization send off Hive. It isn't upheld by a particular club or association. As a worldwide association with no proper central command, Hive has hubs, partners, and donors in a few countries. Hive involves the DPoS agreement instrument to carry out decentralized administration for both programming improvement and choices about convention changes. It is feasible to choose block makers, otherwise called observers, through stake-weighted casting a ballot. As witnesses, they are expected to agree to permitting changes to the primary layer convention that all applications share. This makes a steady groundwork while permitting second-layer applications to rapidly enhance. Each update to the convention is advanced, created, readied for, and did through an open Hive specialized examination. Regardless of whether it is challenging to give 100% precise specialized examination for the Hive coin, you can see the accumulated Hive trade rating progressively for the picked time span with this total specialized investigation apparatus from TradingView. The three most well-known specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns, are the underpinning of the HIVE-USD report. Hive current cost. Hive is at present worth 43 cents USD. Hive has moved 0.69% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,235,091. Hive is at present positioned 154 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $201,582,179 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Hive market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Hive Value Expectation 2023. Hive, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Hive cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 65 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. averaging 60 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Hive is supposed to have a base worth of 52 cents. Hive Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Hive cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Hive will before long outperform $1.09. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Hive's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Hive will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 86 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 95 cents. Hive Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.52 and Hive might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Hive is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.39 and a low of $1.30 in 2025. Hive Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Hive effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Hive coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Hive will be green in 2026. The Hive is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.96, with a base cost of $1.74 and a typical cost of $1.82. Hive Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Hive cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.26 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.17 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Hive has a greatest value worth of $2.39. Hive Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.69. In the event that Hive figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.82. Neglecting to accumulate the help Hive needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.61. Hive Value Expectation 2029. While Hive is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.04 and a yearly cost close above $3.26 in 2029. Hive Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Hive will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.48 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.69, averaging out at $3.56. Hive Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have a